Hello everyone, let's cut this shape into two parts. We can use a cube and make it the size that we like. Let's say you want to cut the heart from here. You can rotate it if you want. Or well, let's cut it like this. So first I'm gonna just duplicate this and make another copy. And the copy, I'm just moving it down a little bit using the arrow keys on my keyboard. The next thing is that I can select the two. And now Tinkercad has added something cool. It's this one, the Intersect group. We can use this. We will get this half of the heart. And then to get this one, we can make this a whole and group them again, but this time with this option. That's it. And then we can move it up. Using the arrow keys again, and now they are two separate objects, right? Here you go, and you can cut any object like that and as many times as you want. So now this one is only two parts, but you can kind of just continue doing the same thing to divide it more. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.